Hello friends, Ashton here. So in this video, I'm going to introduce an update for OneScript. And in this one, I added a new feature called Easy Merge to Google Documents and Google Slides. All right, so if you check the version in the add-on here, so you will see this new feature added at the end of July. So this new feature called Easy Merge to Documents and Slides. And let me show you some demos here, what we can do here in Google Documents first. So for Google Documents, and if you have a document which contains some placeholders like this, like the title, subtitle, name, email, even you can have some placeholders in the title of the file if you want, and you open this sidebar by using Easy Merge. So I provide you two options here, so you can use, if I'm trying to use this brackets here, so let me say test, and if I select this one, and it's only going to put this as the placeholder in this document. And if I'm trying to use this one, the second one with curly braces, and you will see here, so we got 3 match for the name because the first one is in this position in the title of the document, and then I have the second name here, and the last name is here. So let me just get rid of this test. So basically the whole idea is you have some placeholders in your document, and then this add-on or this script here is going to look through all your documents and is going to get all of these placeholders and put it here in this form, so you can enter this data a little bit easier. So if you have a very long document and a lot of repeat stuff like the name or something you need to repeat a lot of place, so I think that's going to be the most use case for this script. And let's just show you a demo here. So OneScript for this title and subtitle, let's say this is a document, the doc script, and email, and the gender is male, address, so I don't know, so put my address here, city and country. Okay, so after you fill all of this information, and then basically you can create a copy of this document if you want. So by default, I think it's going to create a copy because for the current document, I think it's going to use it as a template, and then you just want to make a copy of it. So by default, it's going to make a copy of the current document, but if you want to update the values in the current file, so you can have this unchecked. Okay, so by default it's checked, and then what I can do, I can just simply merge this document, and it's going to do a new copy of the document, and it's going to open the link for you. So you will see here, so the title is being updated, so all the placeholder in this document is now updated, right? So let me just close this one, and let me go to Google Slides. So the idea here is very similar, as you can see. So if I open this sidebar for the Google Slides and Easy Merge, so select the placeholder pattern, and you will see we got all of these placeholders from the Google Slide, and the title is also included. So the name is here, so one name, and this is the second name, so we have 2 names here for this placeholder, and the title, subtitle. So just do a quick test. OneScript, and the subtitle, let's say slide script. The email, gender, address, China, and then so this create copy is just the same, working the same. So if you want to create a copy of this Google slide, And just one note here. So this create copy, if you have a custom page size, which is not this default one. So I think the default size is 16:9 ratio. If you have a custom size, there is a small problem here. Is cannot create the same size as you have if it's not the custom size of the current template. So there's a little bit that's a problem I'm trying to solve, but it seems like they're currently not supported in the Google Slides API, so I cannot create the same size if you have a custom size. So let me show you what I mean here. So if I change this page setup to a 4:3, okay, so I can do a merge here, but you will see here the file created is going to take the default one, so it's still going to be this 16:9 ratio you will see here, so it's not 4:3, and then you maybe need to do an update here manually, so change it to 4:3. Okay, so there's a little drawback right now at this in this add-on here, but you will see all the placeholders are updated, just like we saw in the Google document, because they're basically working very similarly. Just need to update the text on the document or on the presentation. And I think that's all about the update. And if you have any feedback or questions, just use this feedback form here to send me any information you want to send. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.